So, if you've ever used AI, you know that getting consistently great results can sometimes feel like, well, a total game of chance. But what if I told you it isn't about luck? And it's not even about becoming some master prompt engineer. It's about having the right system.
Okay, let's kick things off by talking about a frustration that I think pretty much all of us have felt when we're using these incredibly powerful AI tools. I like to call it the prompting paradox.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You have this brilliant idea in your head, you type it into the AI, you hit enter, and the result that comes back is, well, it's just completely off the mark. It's a super common and, honestly, a really frustrating experience. This quote from a creator who is tackling this exact problem just hits the nail on the head. It perfectly captures the core issue. It's not that the tool can't do it. It's that we have a hard time translating what's in our head into a language the AI can execute perfectly. The problem isn't the tool, it's our approach. But what if you could solve that problem for good? I mean, what if you could have the perfect prompt for any situation you're working on every single time you needed it?
Well, the solution is a system called a prompt enhancer. Just think of it like a really detailed blueprint or a set of custom instructions that you give to the AI one time. And from that moment on, it acts as your own specialized expert assistant, totally trained to think, to structure, and to create exactly how you want it to for that one specific task.
This is a total game changer. You go from typing in these one-off, inconsistent manual prompts that give you totally unpredictable results to embracing a systematic, powerful, and repeatable process that delivers amazing quality every single time.
So how do you actually build one of these for yourself? It's probably easier than you think. Let's break down the anatomy of an enhancer, and we'll start with a classic example, generating images from text.
A really great enhancer basically has three main ingredients. First, you have the core purpose, which just tells the AI what its role is. Second, you give it a prompt structure, which is a clear template for how you want the output to look. And third, you provide it with some tips and examples. This is a technique called few-shot prompting to show it exactly what a great final prompt looks like.
So let's imagine you start with a really simple, super basic idea. You just take something like a wizard casting a spell into your image generator. What do you think you're going to get?
Now watch this. This is where the magic happens. The enhancer takes that super simple idea and automatically fleshes it out with incredible detail. Suddenly, it's a bearded wizard in a flowing deep blue robe with magical runes crackling with energy. And it even specifies things like dramatic fantasy lighting. The level of detail here is just a world of difference.
And this right here brilliantly illustrates the impact. You can see it clear as day. On the left, with the simple prompt, you get this wide variety of generic, pretty uncontrolled images. But on the right, the enhanced prompt gives you a much more controlled, specific, and fine-tuned scene that really aligns with a professional artistic vision.
Okay, so here's the crucial point. This system isn't just some neat little trick for making cool pictures. No way. It's a flexible framework that you can adapt for much, much more complex tasks.
For example, let's see how this same framework adapts for video. When you're prompting for text to video, the enhance's instructions need a whole new focus. The single most important thing becomes defining camera movement. You know, how the lens pans or tilts or zooms to interact with the scene. And since AI video generation can still be a little unpredictable, a smart enhancer won't just give you one option. It's programmed to give you 3 distinct prompt variations. And this is awesome, because it gives you the power to pick the best one or even mix and match the most compelling parts from each.
But the system gets even more powerful when you start applying it to complex creative workflows. For example, you can build an enhancer that trains an AI to be your personal brainstorming partner for scripting short-form content. For a task like scripting, the enhancer doesn't just give you one final output. Instead, it works with you, step by step. You give it the initial concept, and it'll start brainstorming dozens of potential hooks, suggest visuals that would match, help you build a logical outline, and even draft compelling closing statements to keep your audience engaged. It's like a creative partner.
You know, this analogy, which an AI actually came up with using an enhancer, is just perfect. Prompting an AI manually can totally feel like you're talking to a genie. If you're too vague or too specific, you just don't get what you want. The enhancer is like having that magic formula that makes sure your wish is understood correctly every single time.
So what's the big idea here? What's the major mindset shift? It's really about moving toward creating your own personal AI system. The big takeaway here isn't about chasing some single magical prompt that solves everything. It's about building a personal, reusable system of enhancers. It's about identifying those repetitive, creative, or analytical tasks you do all the time, and then building an expert AI assistant for each one. Think of the hours you could save.
And that brings us to the final and most crucial question. Think about your own workflow, your own creative process. What's the most time-consuming or repetitive task that you do? Because that is the perfect place to start building your very first personal prompt enhancer.